Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen and I'm a dyslexic here to help other dyslexics and their parents. Today we are going to be talking about 6 early signs of dyslexia in students ages kindergarten through 2nd grade. So if you are questioning or thinking that there is possibly some type of specific learning disability with your child in kindergarten through 2nd grade, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Dyslexia, or a specific learning disability, can be diagnosed and found as soon as age 5, but sometimes it does not show up until later. So it's not uncommon for children ages kindergarten through 2nd grade to figure out that there is a specific learning disability or dyslexia going on. And also, one of the things that research has shown, and I've seen in my family full of dyslexics, is the earlier you intervene, the better. So if you are questioning or thinking that your child is not making adequate progress compared to everybody else, then it's time to first have a conversation with the teacher and see what the teacher's seeing in the classroom. Then also possibly start researching who could possibly give them a diagnosis and get on their waiting list, because sometimes the people that can actually do that, their lists are quite long. And also start asking about evaluations in the evaluation process. And if your child is younger than kindergarten and you're questioning if that, I have also done a video about early signs, and I'm going to link it right here for you. And so that way you can click on that one and watch the early signs. So this is before kindergarten. So here we go. Let's get into the 6 signs that you need to watch for from kindergarten to 2nd grade. Okay, I am going to share the 6 early signs for ages kindergarten through 2nd grade. So the first thing to look for is know their letters and the sounds. So sometimes kids often confuse letters that look the same. So that would be B, D, P, and Q. The same letter, just all different directions. And then letters with similar sounds. So D, T sound the same, and B, P sound the same, and F, V sound the same. So if your child is messing up letters and names, this is an early sign. The second early sign is hard to read if there aren't pictures. So this means that they can't really read and understand if there's just text on the page. So they're not able to read the word cat, like, the, and any words. They're just struggling. And when those pictures are missing, it's just really hard for them. This is the second sign. The third sign is word substitution. So when they're reading along, they put in a word that means the same but is totally different. So if they're reading along and it says the house is red and they read the home is red, that is an early sign. That is the third one. The fourth sign is blending words. So if they have trouble blending the individual sounds, so cat, k, at, you're hearing more like at, or just some other word altogether, that's an early sign. I know another one that my daughter struggles with right now, but she's only 2, so I'm not too worried about it, but strawberry, she's missing several syllables. Strawberry, very, and it's hard for me to say because I'm used to pronouncing it, but there are several syllables missing. Another word is like yellow, yell. She also uses yes. So when syllables like end of the words are missing or the beginning of the word is missing, this is the fourth sign. So blending words is very hard for dyslexics. The fifth one is rhyming patterns. So rhyming means the end of the word is the same. So an example of this is cat, hat, bat, mat, sat. If they're unable to realize that the words are not rhyming, this is a big indicator that they're just struggling to learn English language. And there's specific and great instruction out there to help them. And we need to make sure that they have a great foundation for learning before we can go on to the other ones. And so if they're not recognizing like, oh, those rhyme, cat, hat, that is sign number 5. Sign number 6 is sequencing. So remembering sequences. So some examples of this are able to say the alphabet. If they go through and they skip some of the alphabet, so like A, B, C, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, and so on and so on. If they're skipping it and it's not done in sequence, that is a sign. Another one is able to count 1 to 10, or when they're counting, they skip numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. So they're skipping numbers there. That is a sign. So to recap, they know the names and letter sounds. It's hard for them to read without pictures. Word substitution, blending words, rhyming patterns, and remembering sequences. Those are the 6 things to watch out for students or children ages kindergarten through 2nd grade. I hope you found this helpful with my 6 tips today. And in the next coming days and weeks, I will have more early signs for different ages, more things on evaluation, and more things on dyslexia. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.